Hey guys. All right, a nice little quick study for you. This is something a little bit different than what we've been doing in distance learning. We've done something like this in class before, but instead of calling it a study, it was creative enrichment since you got to work in groups and stuff. So I've made it a little bit simpler for you. It covers a portion of the chapter that you're going to need to know for the test coming up on Thursday. So let's just kind of go through it quickly and get you ready, all right? So this is the Chapter 11 study. It's going to be due to the Google Classroom by Wednesday night on April 22nd. You're going to read this portion right here. It says, your household is part of an economy. In an economy, there is a continuous cycle of money, goods, and services. In an economic cycle, there are two kinds of markets, a resource market and a product market. Then this section right here says do. This is what you're going to do. So read the table below, this area down here, and look what is exchanged in these markets for 3 Minnesota industries. Then answer the questions below the table. So let's just take a quick look. So this row talks about resource markets for flour milling, lumber, and iron milling. This row looks at product market for flour milling, lumber, and iron mining as well. Then you're going to come down here. Number 1, which kind of market shows the exchange of work and the wages those workers earn from their market? So the question that you're answering is it resource market or product market? That's all you're going to type. So I've typed that 2 times, so I'm hoping that you are sure to only type either resource market or product market. Okay, type resource market or product market. You're doing that type of answering for the first 2 questions. So for question number 2, it says, which kind of market shows the exchange of goods that are produced and the money people spend to get those goods? Again, you're answering only the word resource market or the words product market in this area here. And again, you're referencing this chart up here. Resource market, product market. Okay, I highlighted some keywords in here too, so I think you're not going to have any issues with this one. Number 3 says, write 1 complete sentence explaining how the resource market and product market are different from one another. So again, look at this chart, use the information up here to help you answer this question. Notice I've said complete sentence, complete sentence. That means it needs to be restating the question and answering the question. Not because, nope, can't start a sentence like that. Restate the question and then answer the question. And then again for number 4, write 1 complete sentence, 1 beautiful complete sentence, explaining how the resource market and product market are similar. So how are they the same? Type your complete answer here. Another note, all of these areas that say type resource market or product market here, type a complete sentence here, delete those before you start typing. So I shouldn't see these when you turn in your completed response, okay? That's just me kind of holding a place for you to start typing. Yeah, and that's it. So make sure you turn it in by Wednesday night before you go to bed, and then you're all set. Thursday is our test for Chapter 11. And yeah, I think you're going to be ready, okay? If you have any questions, just send me an email or comment on the Google Classroom. My email is bburton@kcsmn.org. All right, good luck, guys.